What is up, YouTube? Y'all already know who it is. This your boy SOB, bro. We out here on San Juan. No, I'm lying. We out here on Ponce, Puerto Rico right now. Look at my guy. Look at my guy, Pincho. Look at Pincho. What's up, Pincho? What's up, man? There's my new friend out here. Look at Pincho. He's so excited. Yo, he's 6 months old. Look, where you going, man? You hype. You hyper. What's up? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? He keep trying to bite me. Look at this. He keep trying to bite me. Oh. Look, there go to mom. That's his mom. What's up, buddy? What's up? Oh, watch your face. Yo. What are you doing? Oh. You shutting doors. Watch out, pup. Let me walk out here so y'all can see the puppies, see what's going on. Look, he all over me. He all over me. He all over us. Early in the morning. What's up, girl? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. It's 7:30 in the morning, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. He is jealous. He is jealous, so he put my hand in his mouth. Ow. Alright. You keep biting me, cuz. Got the puppies out here. Where you going? No. 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 Yo. Whoa. Whoa. Look at him. He crazy. He crazy. He keep trying to chase me down. Hey, I'm gonna take y'all to go take a look at the roosters. They got roosters out here early in the morning making noise, waking everybody up. It's lit out here though, y'all. It's definitely different out here. I'm not used to a lot of things, but I love it. I love it. It's definitely a different scenery. You know, you see a bunch of new things. There's lizards out here. There's iguanas. Like, all right, look, for instance, there's a lizard right there. Oh, it just moved. It just moved so fast. Oh, look, it's right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. It keeps moving. But look, if y'all can see the roosters over there also. Look at the lizard. There's a lizard like jumping across the fence. But you got the roosters over there. You see? They out here waking everybody up. Got the roosters and the chickens. We out here in Puerto Rico, baby. We're gonna go link up with some of the bike riders later. We're gonna turn up. Right now, we're about to go over to Crash Boat Beach. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He came over speeding. What's up, man? You came over doing the dash. Come on. What's up? We out. We out. Where you going? This way. This way. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Pincho. Come on. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Go. Come on. Come on. Hi. No, don't bite me. Yo, he keep trying to bite me, y'all. He keep trying to get me. Okay. He keep trying to get my little legs. Pincho. Yeah, stop calling him Paco. That's Pincho. That's Pincho. Tell her Pincho. Say my name is Pincho, not Paco. We're about to go head out to Crash Boat Beach, y'all. I'll get back to y'all once we get there. Y'all. Alright, y'all. So we just came out of Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Just came out of Walmart. Just had to
Yo no soy a donde voy.
My guys over there in a little Kia. We're in a little Hyundai. Got baby with me. We outside. Y'all don't even know. It's really like 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 8:15 over here. This is very, very early for us.
Extremely early.
Like, we're not used to being this active, being out this early right now. But we're gonna live it up. We're gonna make the best of it. We're about to turn Puerto Rico all the way up. We're gonna be on the bikes later. We about to go hit Crash Boat Beach. We just about to be lit, like all day, all day. Last night I was lit. I ain't gonna lie, I was sauced. I was sauced. Seriously. Oh, I miss showing y'all the Savage Horse. We went past the Savage Horse.
We might see them a whole bunch more.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. He was saying that it'd be horses on the beach too.
Yeah, because they have like a little private thing also that you can ride horses at the beach. They have, well, obviously it's horses everywhere, but there's horses on the beach as well.
It's different out here, y'all. Look, take a look. Everywhere. You got horses.
Roosters.
Yeah,
5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock in the morning. 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. They up.
Dogs everywhere.
Seriously. I love it though. I just feel like it's a free land for real. Like everybody can do what they. Oh! Yo, my man everywhere in the car. Alright, what's up y'all? We back. We finally made it down to Crash Boat Beach. As y'all can see, we out here. Got the gang out here. You know what I'm saying? The water is super clear. Super clear. Yo, that's the boat that takes the banana boat? And they talking about jumping off of that pier. And y'all talking about jumping off that pier?
Yeah.
Oh Lord Jesus. Oh dang, they got a house on the beach on the hill. It's lit out here in Puerto Rico, y'all. So a little fun fact while we get our little situation set up, right? We are actually on the beach that the movie Punisher was shot on. If y'all can see, all the way over there is where one of the scenes was shot. Right, bro?
Punisher, yeah.
You gotta explain. You know a little bit better than I do.
So
It's the scene when
there's a scene in the movie where the guys they like running from the family or whatever, and that's where they housed at. Like on that side over there somewhere. Like a beach house where that scene happened at, where they crashed the car and all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's fire.
Oh, it look like they about to go jump off the drum.
That's what we gonna do soon. Yep.
Oh shit.
This waterproof.
Not with this case.
We gonna have to upgrade you, bro.
Not with this case. I got the waterproof one in the car. I got the Hero 9.
Oh yeah, that's the one we need when we jump off. The GoPro.
They try to have me like this, jumping. Woo! What do you say? Mama Wee. Sheesh. A lot of y'all don't know what that means. But the guy definitely is saying, I'm about to kill myself. Wee! Yo. When they see that and hear that, they're gonna be like, wow.
Right.
Really?
It's like, it's not funny, but it's funny.
Right. Then they're gonna start watching all the videos and be like, dang.
You don't, look, take that so you can grow it.
What is it? That's an almond?
Yeah, almond.
Yeah, that's what it is. Almendra.
Sound an almond, yo. And another one?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Found 2 almonds.
They might be beach houses.
My cousin was looking at a house right behind here, like 3 minutes.
Oh, there goes the loud car I was looking for. This whole time I've been out here, I ain't heard no loud cars. Now I heard the loud car. No almond. We about to move this over. Can you hold this? I was about to say that.